ECE 8393 Fundamentals of Data Structures in C, second year ECE, third semester, Unit 5, Hash Table, presented by Anuja R. APCSC, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. First, definition of hash table. Hash table is a data structure which stores data in an associative manner. In a hash table, data are stored in an array format where each data value has its own unique index value. Access of data becomes very fast, and if we know the index of desired data, then the data structure in which insertion and search operations are very fast irrespective of the size of data. Here the hash table uses an array as a storage medium and uses hash technique to generate an index where an element is to be inserted or is to be located from. The next one is definition of hashing. Hashing is a technique to convert a range of key values into a range of indexes of an array. Here we are going to use modulo operator to get a range of key values. Consider the following example. The hash table of size 20 and the following items are to be stored. The items are in the key or value format. So this is a simple example of hash table. Hash function is there, as well as keys and index values are there. The following elements are inserted into the hash table. The first element is 1. The hash function is 1 modulo 20 is equal to 1. Array index is also 1. 2 means 2 modulo 20 is equal to 2. Array index is 2. Then 42 modulo 20 is equal to 2. The array index value is 2. Then the key element is 4. 4 modulo 20 is equal to 4. The array index also 4. Then 12. The 12 modulo 20 is equal to 12. The array index value is also 12. Then 14 modulo 20 is equal to 14. Array index values are 14. And 70 is also the index value is 17. 13 means the index value is 13. 37 is the index value is 70. So this way we can store the data in a hash table. The next one is linear probing. And the linear probing technique is used to create an already used index of the array. So we can search the next empty location in the array by looking into the next cell until we find an empty cell. So this technique is also called as a linear probing. So here also the same way we can insert the data. So here hash key value is there 1, 2, 42, 4, 12, 14, 17, 13 and 37 is the hash key value. Here this is the hash key function, that is 1 modulo 20 is equal to 1. The array index location is also 1. After linear probing we can store the array index is here, right? So this is the concept of linear probing. Then basic operations of hash table. The following are the basic primary operations of hash table. First one is search. Search is an element in the hash table. Second one, insert. Inserts an element in a hash table. Delete an element from the hash table. Next, first one is search operation. Whenever an element is to be searched, compute the hash code of the key passed and locate the element using that hash code as index in the array. Then using linear probing to get the element ahead if the elements is not found at the computed hash code. Insert operation. Whenever an element is to be inserted, compute the hash code of the key passed and locate the index using that hash code as an index in the array. Use linear probing for empty location if an element is found at the computed hash code. Then the delete operation. Whenever an element is to be deleted, compute the hash code of the key passed and locate the index using that hash code as an index in the array. The linear probing to get the element ahead if an element is not found at the computer hash code. When the element is found, to store a dummy item there to keep the performance of the hash table intact, right? So the following questions are available in a hash table. What is hash table? The answer is option B, a structure that map keys to values, also called as a hash table. Second question, if several elements are competed for the same bucket in the hash table, what is it called? Option C, collision. Then what is a hash function? Option B, a function that compute to locate of the key in the array. Fourth question, which of the following is not a technique to avoid a collision? Option D, increasing hash table size. Fifth one is, what is the symbol uniform hashing? Option A, every element has equal probability of hashing into any of the slot. Thank you.